Welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing the ADATA HV320 1TB mechanical HDD. If you're on the hunt for reliable storage solutions, stick around as we uncover the ins and outs of this external hard drive. Next to the drive, we find a user manual and a USB 3.0 cable. It's disappointing that this case doesn't utilize a USB-C connection. Nevertheless, it's already formatted, so all you need to do is connect it to your computer. Let's connect it to the PC and do a performance test to examine its writing and reading speed. The primary concern for anyone considering an external HDD is whether it's worthwhile to invest in a mechanical drive, or if there are better alternatives available. In my view, at 1 TB, the optimal choice would be an SSD. The price will be almost the same, while the speed it offers is significantly greater. I would consider an external mechanical drive only if you need a large amount of storage for backup, such as 4 TB or more, and only for time-to-time backup purposes. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps someone decide whether or not to buy this disc. Goodbye.